In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a 3D model into a clean 2D drawing using AutoCAD. Whether you're preparing plans, sections, or elevations, or you simply want a quick and accurate 2D view from your 3D design, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your AutoCAD project and navigate to the exact view you want to convert. This part is super important. The view you see on your screen is exactly what AutoCAD will turn into a 2D drawing. So make sure you adjust the angle, zoom level, and orientation until everything looks perfect. Take a moment to rotate your model and confirm that the perspective truly represents what you want to capture, because accuracy here saves you a lot of cleanup later. Next, select the object or objects you want to convert. Over here, make sure you select everything you need in one go because it keeps the workflow smooth and prevents missing elements. AutoCAD selection tools make this really easy, even for complex models, so take advantage of that. After you've made your selection, type Flatshot into the command line. You'll see a window pop up with options for customizing the output. These options are great for advanced adjustments, but for now, simply click OK to continue with the default settings. They work perfectly for most basic 3D to 2D conversions. Once the command runs, AutoCAD will ask you to position your new 2D view on the workspace. Use your mouse and place it wherever it fits best within your drawing layout. This is where you can start planning how your final sheet or documentation will look, so choose a clean space that gives you room to work. After placing the view, press Enter 3 times to finalize the placement. It might feel repetitive, but it confirms the view creation and makes everything official. And just like that, you now have a fully flattened 2D version of your 3D model, quick, simple, and incredibly useful. To make everything smoother, here are a few quick tips. Always double-check your view before converting. Avoid clutter in your model space to keep the 2D drawing clean, and practice the Flatshot command from different angles to see how each 2D version looks. Doing this helps you understand which perspectives work best for your drawings. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to convert any 3D model into a crisp 2D drawing easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be struggling with the same task. Why not make someone's day easier?